I've been exploring the AXIS Bank Forex Card for a while now, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover everything from its key features to potential drawbacks. So by the end of this video, you'll know if the AXIS Bank Forex Card is the right choice for your international spending in 2025. Let's dive in. The AXIS Bank Forex Card is designed for travelers who want a hassle-free way to manage their foreign currency expenses. Whether you're planning a vacation, studying abroad, or traveling for work, this card aims to make your transactions seamless while avoiding the typical hassles of currency exchange. One of the standout features is that you can load multiple currencies onto a single card. AXIS Bank currently supports over 16 currencies, making it a great companion for multi-country trips. Plus, the locked-in exchange rates mean you're protected from market fluctuations after you load the card, giving you peace of mind as you spend. Another benefit is the global acceptance. You can use the AXIS Bank Forex Card at millions of merchants and ATMs worldwide, wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted, depending on the variant you choose. Security is also a strong point. The card comes with YIMBY chip protection, SMS alerts for every transaction, and the ability to instantly block or unblock your card through the AXIS mobile app. Plus, they offer emergency assistance services if you lose your card abroad. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some users have noted that reloading the card while traveling can sometimes be a bit slow, and inactivity fees might apply if you leave the card in use for an extended period. Also, ATM withdrawal charges and cross-currency charges outside your loaded currencies can add up, so it's wise to be aware of those extra costs. Overall, the AXIS Bank Forex Card is a solid option for frequent travelers looking for convenience, security, and control over their foreign spending. But, as always, make sure to review the latest fees and features on their official site before you decide. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.